Good morning everybody. I just wanted to give you an update as to where we are with the seeds. Before I begin, I just want to show you my helper in the greenhouse. You may have seen him in a few other videos. This is Buddy. He is my helper. He's 11 years of age. He likes it in here and sometimes helps me. Sometimes. I've also got another helper which is fantastic to stop any of the pests and other bits that try and eat my seeds, and it's the first one I've seen this year. There he is, my little friend, a ladybird. So I'm just going to leave you there, mate, so hopefully you can help me with any pests. So I need to look after you. Okay, so the update on the seeds. Last time I showed you, I didn't really tell you what or show you any of the pictures of what I'm actually growing, so I've got out the labels to help. But these we did in another video, previous video. These are the sunflowers, the orange and brown ones, coming along quite nicely now. Got quite a few are growing. Probably gonna have to repot some of those. I don't tend to put them out until later here in the south of England. I'll probably put them out in sort of May time, so I'll probably have to repot them. I don't want to put them out too early when they're young because they will get eaten and it's not quite warm enough yet. We've got some zinnias which I'll need to pot on. I've got these free actually, so I haven't got a picture for you, but if you look up zinnias, they're a lovely flower. We've got the Monge Toot, which obviously I planted up on another video in my egg cartons, and those three are coming up. We've got Bell's Canterbury, a lovely summer flower. Obviously there's lots in there. I literally just put those little seeds in. That's all you have to do, and they get bigger and bigger. Yes, it could be a bit awkward just potting on, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. They all want to grow and there's loads there. So I'll definitely be giving away some to friends. And then we've got the basil, which I planted, sowed on another video. They're coming up nicely now. Look very small, but again, just in a plastic used tub. And then we've got the coleus. Again, I got these as a freebie. So I haven't got a picture, but they're a really tropical coloured leaf plant. Really nice. Not loads coming up in all of the containers, but again they're very small still. I've got some more over here. They're just all coming up now. So they did have a propagator over them, but as we know, as soon as you see them poke out of the soil, then you lift that, because otherwise it will go mouldy. And I'm just looking at the ladybird, and I'm just back over to the ladybird, because the ladybird seems to be going over to my companion Buddy, so I'll have to keep an eye on that because I don't want them falling out. We've got some tomatoes. I mentioned aubergines before. I never seem to have success there, but still nothing. Might have to rethink that. We've got some tomato cherry yellow, and we've also got some super hot chilies here. So and they need to be potted on very soon. We've got the calangia, a bright yellow and orange flower. Now they're probably go on my vegetable patch because they're quite good. They're quite a tolerant flower, and I'll put them in amongst my veg to stop the slugs attacking the vegetables, and I don't mind them attacking those plants if I've got plenty. We've got the marigold crackerjack mix, which we planted on another video. A few have come up, not loads. I planted a seed in every pod, so they've not all come up yet. We've got the lovely sweet corn, so got good amount of sweet corn, 4 there. The Monge Toot, which I just planted on my previous video in the egg carton. And if we swing round, we've got the marigolds. Now, I potted these on, made a mistake in a way. I used some of my own compost to pot them on, and they've not liked, the marigolds have not liked it. So it just shows you how important seedling compost is. I'll give an example. This one here is seedling compost. The one next to it is my own compost, and perhaps it's too rich and too heavy. So, but they'll be okay. They'll carry on. But it's just something that I've learned, that you need to use this seedling compost, this light and fluffy compost. So we've got lots of marigolds going on, and some more sweet corn. So we've got 4 more sweet corn there. Some have yet to come up. But yeah, it's looking good, and it's always exciting, as you know, when stuff comes up. So, and also, if you can water with a sprayer rather than sort of just directly into it, it gives you an idea of what's going on with your seeds. You can pick up any pests, anything that you think's not right. You know, this looks quite dry. Other areas look a little bit dry, but it's looking good. And the weather's only going to improve, I hope. But yeah, a lot of this you can grow on the windowsill at home. But all these seeds need to be kept at least 15 degrees. And I'll be showing you a lot of the time how to pot on. But yeah, exciting. Hope you've enjoyed that video. And I'll get to work with Buddy. Thank you.